I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, man? It's your boy, Roadside Rider. You see what it is. I'm gloving up. About to get ready to do this tire on this van. I already know what tire it is, so we gonna get to it. It's that back driver side tire. I'm over here on the passenger side. It done been a busy day. When I tell you it done been busy, it done been busy. But they getting this 17-inch tire right here. I told them we gonna be out in about 10 minutes. Let's see if I can keep my promise, all right? Y'all know me. If you've seen my videos, you know how I get down. It's gonna be quick on my end, and I already got my air built up, so I ain't gotta crank up my air compressor. Just gotta move the old tires out the way. Like I said, I've been a busy day. I got semi-truck tires. I got passenger tires. I can't wait to get home to clean this stuff off. But let's get to it. Y'all ain't here for the excuses. We're gonna do this as quick as possible. It's this back driver tire. See if I can jack it up right here. Yes, sir. I think we coming up. I think we coming up in the world, baby. Is that true? Y'all give me 1 second. I got a customer. Roadside assistance, this is Mike. I guess they ain't want nothing. Let's get to it. You know, players mess up too, so we just gonna come back with that one. And one thing I hate about these, they be having these ugly caps on there. So I'm gonna take it off, screw it back on a little bit, and wiggle myself back off. I'm gonna hit. Don't do that one since the rest of them are already loose. And I'm gonna do these by hand. No, you know what? I ain't even gotta do that, cause yeah, I do. I thought I was gonna be able to get over. Still gonna stick to my 10 minutes though. Not to mention, if y'all hear these cars coming back and forth, we on a busy highway out here in Macon. Go ahead and get my hammer, my bars. Grab my salt water while I'm right here. It's hammer time, let's get it. When I tell you this tire, it don't look bad. It got good tread on it. But as soon as I start hitting it, I smell burnt rubber. That let me know right there, this tire is no good at all. I'm gonna show y'all once I take it off. And I could just tell this by the smell. As soon as I hit that thing, I smelt it. You see that rubber dust in here? What happens is they got a flat tire. They probably didn't know it was flat at the time and they drove on it. That's why you see that part right there. It's dark. They give it a dark ring. And if you were right here, you would smell like burnt rubber. All it is the guts of the tire. What's in my hand, it just falling out. But let me get back to it. Because I still gave them 10 minutes and we're going to stick to that. I'm in a bit of a rush. I got some collard greens. To my root. Let me start that over. I'm in a bit of a rush. I got collard greens that I'm trying to get home and put on the stove. I'm trying to eat good tonight. I ain't editing nothing out this video. It ain't gonna be no cuts. So whatever time it is on the screen, that's what we at on the job. Whatever time it say on my video, that's how long it took to do it. That's a good looking you tying it, boy. All right, let's get you on. I was finna stump it, but I had that mud on my shoe. All right. What the clock say? Again, always remember, if you put that bottom lug nut on first, you tighten it up good, you ain't gonna have to hold that tire in place. You know what? I'll do that one later. I know the clock ticking. I can hear you now. Mike, you better hurry up. I got you. I got you. Say no more. Let's get it. You know what time it is. NASCAR, is you ready? While I continue to show that I'm not ready. Going to put some out of this thing and we finna get out of here. That joker hand up. I ain't got a lot of air built up, but it's gonna go a little slow with that. It's all good. $25. I'm gonna put him about 35 and then, but he better learn how to keep that thing in the road, boy. Scared me for a second there. I ain't gonna lie though, boy, it's a beautiful day out here on the side of the road. 35 on the head. What that clock say? A success, right? So we finna get out of here. I'm going to put my tools up and get them back on the road. I thank y'all for coming to do this job with me. I thank y'all for doubting me. And I thank the ones who believe in me. This is over. I'm out.